we're going to call this How to Buy a Used Garbage Truck, or what to look for. Stay away from those. If you have to customize your interior with stuff you found in the back, wiring puking out of the roof, and one of those on it. Using hand warmers to keep your shifter warm. Losing more hydraulic than you got in your tank. Oh, there we go, that's a good spot. Let's see. Bald ass tires. Garbage actually pushing the side off of the truck. That's bad. Having a spatula to clean the truck.
I'm playing while you're doing that.
Oh. Another big hit that you probably should not buy this truck. This is a good one here. If your controls do absolutely nothing. Yeah, I know.
Look at this.
Alright. We probably shouldn't be dropping this here.
Look, the bolts about rusted.
Alright.
Oh, that was money.
Looking for my truck. You gotta make sure exhaust is in good shape. I can't really see it. It's too dark under here. This is my muffler. Oh look, tranny fluid. Motor oil, tranny fluid, hydraulic fluid. Ha! No antifreeze. I must be out. My battery box is in the open and covered with stuff that falls out of the truck.